Hi YouTube, today I want to show you my latest build. It's a orange mountain bike with a Bafang 750 BBS02. I didn't feel the necessity for a BBS HD, so in my case this is enough fast. As you can see, this is my self-built battery with smart BMS. It's working very well, and so far I have the P850 display. It's a wonderful display. I would recommend this. And besides that, I have the lights directly connected from the battery. I would connect this direct to the battery, not to the 6 volt. You know, it's too weak in my opinion. And 58 volts on this 14S. It's very, very good. That's it. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.